Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, where we help small business owners build their online businesses quickly and profitably. I'm delighted to see you here for another video again. Today, in this video, I will show you how to build up an Etsy store step by step with print-on-demand complete integration. I'll also share a few ideas and tricks with you that will help you build your store quickly. I'll also explain how to get 40 free listings while setting up your Etsy shop. Therefore, kindly watch the entire video without skipping any part of it. So let's get started. You must first create an Etsy shop in order to begin selling on the platform. If you open your Etsy shop using my referral link, you will receive 40 free listings. You can also open your shop directly by visiting Etsy.com, but you will not receive any free listings. So, if you want 40 free listings, use my referral link, which I have provided in the description box. After that, click here. Now a pop-up window will appear in front of you with several options for creating an Etsy account. You can make an account by providing your email address and password, or you can use your Google account to open an Etsy shop, or you can use your Facebook account, or you can use your Apple account. You can select from a variety of options. Guys, I have done this process in advance, so I take you directly to the next step. It will now redirect you to this page where you will be asked some questions about why you are starting this business. You can choose any of these answers or simply skip them. I recommend that you skip this question for now. Again, you can also skip this question. Now, click here to start creating your shop. After that, you will be directed to this page where you must provide your shop references. You have to choose your shop language, country, currency for payment method. Then save and continue. It will now take you to this page where you must name your shop. Naming your shop is an important aspect of your business because it reflects your brand identity. You should also do some research before naming your shop to ensure that there are no other businesses with similar names. So I'll put my shop name here. As I'm starting this store for print on demand, I'm going to name it T-Club US. Then save and proceed. Etsy will now take you to this page where you must post at least one product because Etsy will not allow you to open a shop without listing a product. Guys, don't worry, this is simply a dummy listing page that we will delete because we will be using print-on-demand product. I'm uploading a photo here. Now I'll fill out the form with all of the required details. Simply fill in the details that are necessary and mandatory. Give your product title here. Who made it? Select I did it. What is it used for? A finished product. Then, for the manufacture year, select 2000 to 2023. The category is men's t-shirts. In description, describe your product. Leave all of these options left for the time being because they are not important. Price, I will give $23. Here, enter your postcode. I will give a processing time of 5 to 7 days. Then the item weight, 6 ounces. Item size will be 12 inches, 10 inches, and 2 inches. I've entered all of the required information. Now click here to save and continue. Guys, our first listing has been published. We don't need to add any more listings, so go ahead and click here. The next step is to determine how you will be paid. You must first select the country you live in. Here you must choose whether you will sell your goods on behalf of your company or as an individual, and then you must fill out all of the information needed about how you will be paid. Guys, I'm not going to show you this process because it contains private information, but you must fill out all of your account information and then enter the address where your bank account and business are located. This is an important detail because you must pay taxes on your Etsy earnings, so be sure you fill out all of the information correctly. Then save and proceed. The next page is for billing setup. This information is for how you will pay your Etsy bill, such as the listing fee, advertisement fee, or any other fee. Etsy charges 20 cents for listing fees, as seen here. It costs a transaction fee of 6.5% and a payment processing fee of 3% plus $0.25. So I will enter all my information here, since it is personal information, so I will fill it out and show you the next step right away. The next and final step is security. Etsy wants you to use two-factor authentication. It protects your store from any hacker or fraudster, so I will do that. My two-step authentication process is complete, so I'll click here to open my shop. Congratulations, your shop has now been created. On your Etsy dashboard, you'll find a quick guide to making your first sale. You can look through all of these topics and learn more about Etsy sales from Etsy experts. Guys, if you see here at the bottom, it says your account has been suspended. Don't panic, it's just an Etsy fault or a flaw that automatically suspends new accounts. It is easily recoverable in 3 to 5 days. If you want to learn how to recover a newly suspended account, watch this video. Everything is described in depth in this video, and a link is provided in the description box of this video for you to check out. Before you start selling anything on Etsy, you should also modify your shop. You can add a banner to your store. Once you've uploaded all of your listings, you may add feature listings or top-selling products here. For discounts, you can include shop announcements such as seasonal sales and Christmas sales. After that, you may add videos and photos. There are a number of things you can do to make your shop more appealing to customers. If you want to know how to set up this page, you may watch this video where I explain everything in detail. Now I'll show you how to integrate a print-on-demand company into this platform and sell print-on-demand products through this marketplace. To show print-on-demand integration, I'll take you to my other shop because my current shop is suspended and will take 3 to 5 days to recover, and I can't add any listings in this store right now. So let's go to my other shop right away. Guys, this is my other store where I will show you the next steps. So let's get started. First, I'll show you how to integrate Printify into your Etsy store. To do so, you have to create an account. Click here to register for an account. You can sign up with your Google account or simply enter your email address and password. I've already created an account for myself, so I'll log in directly. You will be directed to this page after logging in. After that, go here, and then choose Manage My Store. It is now asking you to link your store, so click here to connect. As you can see, there are multiple platforms to which you can connect, but we only need to connect to Etsy. So go ahead and click here. After that, Etsy asks permission to connect your Printify store. Select this Grant Access. Our Etsy store has been successfully connected to Printify. We can now easily list print-on-demand products from this platform on Etsy. So let me explain you how to list a product from Printify to Etsy. To do so, go to the catalog and choose any product you want to add. I'm taking t-shirt. After that, it displays a list of brands from which to choose, and I select Gildan. Then it asks you to choose a vendor, and you have a variety of options to choose from. I'm going for an awkward style. You must now put your design here or use its tools to create your own. I'll make a dummy t-shirt to show you. I will take text and write your design here for t-shirt graphic. Then save this product. After that, it displays product details. These are mock-ups, and you can choose whatever you like. Then here, listing details, you can change anything you want. I'm going to change the title to your design here. I will not update the description because it has already been taken. Make it default for delivery. Then you must choose your size, which I am doing by selecting small to XL. You can also change the price of the products from here, but I will not. There are more options, but I'm not changing any of them. Now you may publish your listing. Let's check it out on Etsy. Our Printify product has been successfully published to our Etsy store. You can make changes to your listing details from here. You can change the title. More listing photos can be added. You can also change the thumbnail for your listing from here. If you like, you can change the description as well. You may also change the pricing from here. You can include tags for SEO. This listing can be completely customized to whatever you want. Now I'm going to show you how to integrate Printful with Etsy. To begin, you must first create an account. Sign up by clicking here. You may sign up using your Google, Apple, or Facebook account, or simply with your email address. I already have an account, therefore I'll take you directly to the dashboard. Click here on Stores to connect your Etsy business to Printful. After that, click here. Now it shows different platforms to connect to. Simply select Etsy and connect. Click here to connect once more. Then grant access to Printful. Our store has been successfully integrated with Etsy. You can see it here. It shows that our store has been connected. Now I'm going to show how to add products to Etsy listings. Click here to add products to do so. It displays a variety of products and brands from which to choose. I opted for the Gildan 500. It is now asking to add design. I'll create a dummy t-shirt graphic just for you. Then click here to continue. It is now asking you to select mockups. I'm going with the basic. Then click here to continue. Click continue once again. Now click the Submit to Store button. As you can see, our product is currently being uploaded to the Etsy store. It has been completed. Let's have a look at it on Etsy. Our listing isn't there, hence it's not visible. Let's check in the draft once more. Oh, our listing has finally arrived here. This listing can be published from here. Guys, I hope I was able to explain how to set up an Etsy store and integrate it with print-on-demand companies. If you love this video, please like, share, and subscribe.